Hi viewers, Helping Mind is here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video topic is how to enable dual SIM always on. Though we have got dual SIM phone, but we do not know how to enable two SIM at a time. So viewers, keep watching. Dear viewers, if you are a new visitor of my channel, press subscribe button, then tap bell icon to get my latest and updated video. Firstly, I go to my setting. I tap on gear icon. Now I scroll a bit. Now I tap on SIM card manager. Here in the below I tap on dual SIM always on. Now I tap on phone number. SIM card 1. We have to put our SIM card number 1 of phone number. I put SIM number 1 of my phone. Now I put my second number of my SIM card 2. After putting two number, I tap on done. Tap done. Now I tap select SIM card. Here we always select both SIM cards. Now tap on done. Now I tap on circle icon to activate dual SIM always on. Dual SIM always on updating setting. It takes a few moments. Dual SIM always on. SIM card 1, SIM card 2 call waiting turn on. If SIM card 1 is out of reach, incoming call will be forwarded to number. SIM card 2, SIM card 1 call waiting turned on. If SIM card 2 is out of reach, incoming call will be forwarded to number. Now I tap on OK. That's it. So viewers, thanks for watching. Hope you can understand how to enable dual SIM card always on. See you in the next video. Thank you.